こんにちは、What's up? Ninjapanese です。You are here because you know てform is important, but you also think it's kind of impossible to remember all the rules, right? But don't worry, てform is actually not that difficult if you study it with Ninja Sensei. I will make it simple and fun, so let's master together. This video is for students who already know basic verbs like study, 勉強します, eat, 食べます, or drink, 飲みます. If you haven't learned any verbs yet, please start with this must-formed video first and come back to this video. Are you ready? Alright, let's get started!
Ninjapa.
はい。So, when you make てform, or actually not only てform but any forms like dictionary form, knife form, たform, any forms in Japanese, you have to know these three groups. Group 3, Group 2, and Group 1. And normally Group 3 is easy, Group 2 is also easy, and Group 1 is a little bit difficult. So let's start from Group 3. So in Group 3, there are only two verbs, which is します to do and 来ます to come. Now let's change します to てform. It's very easy. Omit ます and put て. So してして来ます omit ます put て来て来て That's it. Omit ます and て Easy. Is it difficult or easy? Easy, right? Okay, so I said only two verbs, but you also know these verbs, right? 勉強します study, 掃除します clean. Look at these verbs. They also have します right? So they are actually also group 3. And it's just the same. 勉強します てform. 勉強して勉強してand 掃除します てform. Yeah, that's correct. 掃除して掃除して Okay, and do you also know some verbs that has 来ます Just like this. 持ってきます Bring, 持ってきます So it has 来ます So just same rules. 来ますてform. 来て So 持ってきますてform. 持ってきて持ってきて Let's practice more. So, they are all group 3. Okay? 勉強しますてform. 勉強して掃除しますてform. 掃除してGet married. 結婚します結婚して電話しますてform. 電話して電話して料理しますてform. 料理して put makeup. メイクしますてform. メイクして play game. ゲームしますてform. はい、that's correct. ゲームして旅行しますてform. 旅行して運転しますてform. 運転して last explain 説明しますてform. 説明して That's it. Okay. This is the rule for group 3. Now let's move on to group 2. In group 2, all the verbs that has this sound ますare group 2. So, for example, eat 食べます 食べます。食べます。or sleep 寝ます。寝ます。寝ます。or teach 教えます。教えます。So if there is a sound in the verb, it's group 2. And the rule is simple. Omit ます and put て。So 食べます。てform 食べて食べて。How about 寝ます。てform omit ます put て寝て寝て。教えます。てform That's correct. 教えて教えて。いいですね。How about open? 開けます。開けます。てform開けて開けて。Okay. How about close? 閉めます。閉めます。てform閉めて閉めて。Okay. How about forget? 忘れます。忘れます。てformはい。忘れて忘れて。Last, memorize, remember, 覚えます。覚えます。てformはい。覚えて覚えて。Good job. So, group 3 and group 2, the rule is just the same. Omit ます and put て。That's it. Do you think it's difficult? Not really, right? It's easy for now. Okay, then now let's move on to group 1. All the verbs that has いますsound. For example, 買います。買います。or wait 待ちます。待ちます。or make 作ります。作ります。They are group 1. And as I told you, group 1 is a little bit difficult. But don't worry, there are only 4 rules. Okay, 4. The first rule is this. いちり becomes て small 2 and て So, for example, 買いますい becomes て So, て form is 買って買って and wait 待ちますて form 待って待って待って Maybe you have heard of ちょっと待って待って That's て form 待って and り作ります作って作って作って Okay, so 一り becomes て Let's practice more い sing 歌いますて form 歌って歌って Okay, stand 立ちますて form 立ちます立って立って Okay, go home 帰ります帰ります帰って帰って Okay, maybe one more meet 会います会います会って会って hold 持ちます持ちますて form 持って持って Okay, last send 送ります送りますて form 送って、送って。OK! So this is ルール1。ルール2。me, ni, be becomes んで。me, ni, be becomes んで。There's a good way to remember. Mini b, small b. Mini b. 飲みます。飲みます。てform。飲んで。飲んで。飲んで。And mini b. に。に。There is only one verb in Japanese that has に which is 死にます died dead 死にます so it's not really useful but we still use it so let's practice 死にますてform 死んで死んで okay and be 遊びますてform 遊んで遊んで遊んで Okay, let's practice more. Mini B み読みます read 読みますてform 読んで読んで Okay, call 呼びます呼びますてform 呼んで呼んで OK So this is ルール2 Do you remember ルール1? ルール1 is 一理ってルール2ミニビんでミニビんで OK Let's move on to ルール3 So ルール3 is 聞いてぎいで For example 書きます or 泳ぎます、はい、書きますて form 書いて書きます書いてじゃぎ泳ぎます becomes いで泳ぎますて form 泳いで泳いで Let's practice more work 働きますて form 働いて働いて play the guitar ギターを弾きます弾きますて form 弾いて弾いて How about ぎ take off 脱ぎます脱ぎますて form 脱いで脱いで hurry up 急ぎますて form 急いで急いで Okay, so this is rule 3 You remember 1, 2, 3? The first one is 一理って一理って Second one is ミニ B ミニ B んでミニ B んで And the third one is 聞いてぎいで Okay, The last one is し becomes して話します話して話して turn off 消しますて form 消して消して push 押します押しますて form 押して押して That's it! Now you have studied 4 rules for group 1 and there is one exception which is to go 行きますて form 行って行って That's it! So when you make te form, first you have to think of group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay, let's review. In group 3, there are only 2 verbs, します and 来ます. And which one is group 2? 得ます or 言います? Yes, 得ます. For example, 食べます sleep, 寝ます teach, 教えます They are group 2. And group 1, 言います For example, 飲みます buy, 買います 使います Group 1. Okay? And each group has different rules. But group 3 and group 2, same. Just omit ます and put て. That's it. And in group 1, there are 4 rules. Do you remember? The first one is 一律て, 一律て. Second one is ミニビンで, ミニビンで. And the third one is 聞いて, ぎいで. And last, fourth one, して. And one exception, which is 行きます。行って、行って。OK です。I wish I could finish until here, but unfortunately, there are some exceptions. はい、すみません。There are always exceptions, right? So, I said 得ます Group 2 言います Group 1 But these exceptions 起きます浴びます見ますいます借ります来ますおります They sounds like います Group 1 But they are actually Group 2 Group 2 So when you make these verbs into te form, just use this rule because they are group 2. So, wake up, 起きます te form, omit ます and て起きて、and take a shower, 浴びます te form, 浴びて and watch, 見ます見て and be for human, animal, います te form, いて and borrow, 借ります te form, 借りて and wear, 着ます te form, 着て and last, get off, 降ります te form, 降りて Good job. Alright, that's really everything. It's done. No more exceptions. Okay, so please watch this video again and review the rules and try to make te form by yourself and you're ready to use te form. After you practice making te form, please watch these videos. If you master te form, you can say, please do something in Japanese and I am doing something or I used to do this. And actually more grammar. As you can see, once you master te form, you can make a lot of sentences in Japanese and you can express what you want to say in Japanese. Alright, so if you like this video, please give me いいね。それからサブスクライブもよろしくお願いします。インスタグラムでも日本語を教えています。こちらもフォローよろしくお願いします。Alright, I'll see you very soon. せーの、ニンニン。またね。
忍者パ。
なんでこんなに長い？大丈夫かな？